Shri P.V. Narasimha Rao, the visionary congressman who led India through the most difficult times and laid the foundation for the reformed India. Recognizing the multifaceted talent of PV, Congress groomed and encouraged him at every stage. He was given the opportunity as State Minister and Chief Minister. Srimati Indira Gandhi, Shri Rajiv Gandhi have always held PV in high regard. At a crucial moment, PV took over as Prime Minister of India. On Srimati Sonia Gandhi's insistence, she stepped aside for PV and stood by him throughout his tenure. Early 90s were marked by crisis for India. The nation was staring at an economic collapse. Insurgency in Punjab posed a threat to integrity of India. Political instability rose due to coalition politics. As a result, India's reputation suffered globally. The assassination of Rajiv Gandhi amid these turbulent times further aggravated the agony of Indians. When bereaved, Sonia Gandhi declined to take over the reins of Congress. The responsibility of running both the party and government fell on Telangana's son, P.V. Narasimha Rao's shoulders. Though P.V. wanted to retire from active politics after working for the nation for over 4 decades in various capacities as CM, Union Minister for Home, Defence, Foreign Affairs and other key portfolios, he changed his decision to serve Congress Party and India when it needed most. After assuming the post of AICC President, PV focused on galvanizing Congress cadres who were in a grief after Rajiv's death and led the party campaign in general elections. Later, he became the Prime Minister, unveiling a new chapter in Indian history. As PM, Narasimha Rao started focusing on addressing the urgent issues plaguing the nation.
Take us back to 1991 when you took over power and the challenge that faced you. And what persuaded you to change this?
Well, persuaded because logically we had come up against a blank wall. There was nothing more to do. You see, you had no money. You were going to become a defaulter within two weeks.
Right.
And you can imagine what it means for India to become a defaulter. We have always been paying our installments of debt in advance. That has been our record. And once you become a defaulter, your entire economy, your honor, your place in the Committee of Nations, everything goes haywire, and you have really no face to show.
What is termed now as the defining moment of modern India, PV initiated economic reforms. Observing the international developments, PV guided the economy towards liberalization. Rao chose economist Manmohan Singh as finance minister to lead economic reforms and stood by him through thick and thin. Through his vision and political acumen, PV put the economy back on track and saved India.
जहां 2,500 करोड़ हमारे पास नहीं थे 91 में, आज 60,000 करोड़ की विदेशी मुद्रा हमारे यहाँ है, जिससे हमें किसी चीज़ के मंगाने में कोई आज परेशानी नहीं है, कोई कठिनाई नहीं है। उद्योगों को हमने मुक्त किया, परमिट से, लाइसेंस से, जिसमें वो फंसे हुए थे और जिनके चलते उनमें कोई प्रगति नहीं हो सकती थी, उनको हमने मुक्त किया। परमिट राज और लाइसेंस राज बड़ी हद तक समाप्त हो गया।
PV has played a crucial role even in reviving the foreign relations with key allies and putting an end to separatist movement in Punjab, earning the appreciation of even opposition parties and critics. A profound intellectual, statesman, prolific writer, polyglot, P.V. Narasimha Rao is truly a multifaceted personality who has done justice to every office he occupied. P.V. was a reformer all through his life. As the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, he introduced land reforms and donated his own land spreading over 500 acres. As Education Minister, he introduced residential schools and Navodaya institutions. PV was also passionate about women empowerment. Born in Laknepalli village in Warangal district, PV was adopted by relatives in Vangara village in Karimnagar district. The celebrated leader from Telangana has never forgotten his roots, though he rose to the level of Prime Minister, making us proud. Remembering the legendary leader, Telangana Pradesh Congress Committee NRI Cell UK has launched centenary celebrations of PV Narasimha Rao. Let's salute PV and carry forward his legacy.